All right, welcome back, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending where you're watching this video from. Okay, yes, happy weekend to everybody. This is a Sunset Network Mining. This Sunset Network Mining is owned by Ice Network. This is one of their projects, so you don't need to play about it. You don't need to joke with it. You need to be serious, take it serious, because anything can happen. One thing in this crypto space is this: for the fact that the other project didn't do well doesn't mean others will misbehave. You never can tell the project that will carelessly, let me use that word, give you cool to $500, okay, without much work, much stress. So this Sunset Network that is owned by Ice Network is a very big project. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description below, in the description but comment section, so you use it to sign up. Now I signed up an hour ago. If you sign up, okay, if you sign up, you'll be given, okay, this is my own interface. If you sign up, okay, I will show you. I will show you how to proceed. No need to rush. You just come here, come to this tax, right? Click on this tax. I've run all the tax. I've run all my tax. Can you see it? Good. I've run all my tax. Check out. This one, invite your friends, 50,000 of the Sunset, 50,000, 50,000. See, at the end of the day, I've been able to accumulate. I was given a click on home. I was given 600 at 145,000 of it. So at the end of the day, I've been able to accumulate this figure, 1.7 million of the token. Are you getting it? So I'm still at the level 1. So that is it. You don't need to play with it. I started 1 hour ago, or not even up to 1 hour. So that is it. Now let's check out this tax. As I said before, you run all the tax that is here to accumulate more of the token. Okay, then after that you click on ranks. You click on ranks. If you see this guy rank number 1, as far as this Sunset Network is concerned, he ranked number 1. Are you getting it? Okay, this person ranked number 2, 55.4 million. Why this one is 64 million of the token? This person is 48 million of the token. Just like that, just like that. Check out guys that have accumulated a lot. So we don't need to play with this project. It's a big project. The bigger your token, who knows how it's going to be. Who knows? You may even think that it's going to be like other projects that listed dust. Don't be surprised. At the end of the day, they might even shock us. They might list well. I pray so. So that is it, my fans, my viewers. So at the end of the day, if you sign up, you'll be given this quantity, what of 45,000 of it, okay? If you sign up. So this wallet is still under maintenance, okay? If you click on it, you see, can you see what is under maintenance? Good. I just wanted to confirm what I'm saying. Okay, good. Then you come to setting. Click on setting here. If you click on setting, okay, you'll be able to, the KYC, this KYC is still under maintenance. It's not available now. So that is it. This is the amount I've been able to accumulate within 1 hour. 1.7 million pieces of this Sunset token. Okay, I've not gotten. You try to join their socials, all their socials. This one is YouTube. I've forgotten this one, Telegram and X, that is Twitter. So try to join. This is my code, my referral code. Okay, this is my link. I'll drop it in the comment section so that you can use it and sign up. Okay, so that is it. It's not all that hard. Once they are ready for once the KYC comes up, I'll make a video to notify my viewers that the KYC of Sunset Network has come up, so that we can buckle up, run it, and wait for the listing. because the way I'm seeing this, it may not last up to 8 months. They will list. So these projects that just started, you are still early, we are still early. So hop on it and accumulate as more as you can. Share your link to your community if you have a community, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, or your friends. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, and comment. See you in my next video. God bless you.